Good afternoon, CRC students. I hope you're well. This is a how-to video to let you know how to submit homework for your Introduction to Academic English module, which is for CTF 001. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is a test page for CTF 001. And if you scroll down, you will see where you would have your notes from different lessons that you have been doing so far. Now, for the class that you need to submit for this week, you will see a small icon here. Let me just increase. There we go. So you will see this icon which says homework for 7/08 October 2021. Now your most recent homework should go here. Whenever you see this icon for a homework, please submit into that submission box. This homework is for your lecturer to be able to help you to progress through the course. So if you click on that, you'll come up to this page giving you information on any attempt. You can make multiple attempts to submit. And when you are ready to submit your homework, you click Add Submission Box. From there, you'll be taken to a submission page where you can drag and drop your files. So I presently have my files ready and open here. So I can, looks like my screen is a bit too big. So I can happily drag and drop my file, and there is my homework ready to be marked. And when I'm ready to submit, just click on Save Changes. And there it is. It now shows a file submission. It says draft, not submitted, obviously because it's not being graded. And any lecturer that wants to mark it or comment on it, they will make your comments here, so you should be able to see any comments once it has been made. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial. If you have any questions, please let us know at Student Support and we'll do our best to answer it. Take care.